so much for seeing us. I know how busy Armed Services, Senator Bennett, and you know our great ambassador. So, Unfortunately, the House is still than what we have seen. We want to show them that if you don't get